Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Welcome to my fall cozy home reset. My husband and I are working together as a team to get these chores knocked out in the home. Thank you so much for being here, and if this is your first time, please leave a comment down below so I can say hello.
Your love ain't free, it's killing me.
Yep, that's still there.
'Cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long.
I'm cleaning the bathroom with my magic concoction, which consists of vinegar, Blue Dawn dish soap, alcohol, and water. Let me tell you something, it's like magic in a bottle, hence the word Kim's Magic Concoction. So today my husband and I are splitting up the chores, so that's why the bed isn't made. He's gonna handle that. He's gonna handle vacuuming and like wiping other things down in the room. And I'm trying to fold these clothes and he knows I don't like doing that. So that's probably why he offered to make the bed. So for all of you ladies who love to see him, he'll be in the next few clips.
Let it go.
Hard to do with one hand. I just want to point out how messy my drawers and cabinets are, but that drawer right there, it didn't look so bad, okay? Things were like balled up into their little spots and everything like that, so it didn't look as bad as it normally does.
It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something.
If you do not have a mini fridge in your bedroom, let me tell you something. You should get one. This thing keeps everything so cold and I really love it. So I will link it down below in my description box.
I don't mind you asking why I let you go. It's just way too much for my hobby, so I'm laying low. Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting.
Our bedroom is above the garage, so this is our little air unit that we have. We do have central air, but again, our bedroom's above the garage. Look how dusty, because this is the window that the air unit goes in. It's really dirty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's a lot of dust. When I tell you, I cannot sing enough praises about this handy dandy window cleaner, and it's always listed below in my description box. Anytime you can find a cleaning gadget that is going to help you out, you definitely should, try to look into that because it's all about working smart and not hard.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last.
I told you that window was dusty. All of my snake plants are gone. They don't like me. Everybody said you can't kill a snake plant. But anyway, we are having an electrical issue. So hopefully we can get that fixed today. As much as I really don't care for these stairs, I'm going to stop saying that because I have to be thankful that I have stairs. I have to be thankful that they work. I have to be thankful that I can actually walk up the stairs, okay? So yeah, I'm not going to complain about my stairs anymore. However, they do need a makeover.
I'm all about your vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, 'cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know.
I'm in my kitchen, one of my favorite places in my home, and I'm folding clothes again. Like, where are they doing that at?
'Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice.
Here we are at my husband's favorite store, Eagle Giant, aka Giant Eagle. When I tell you that he comes here 5 times a week, like seriously. I don't know about you, but fall is my favorite season. I love looking at the trees, how they change colors. I feel like they all have their own little personalities, so I thought that I would throw some of that in here. Also, I'm sure you noticed how gloomy it is. Seasonal depression is real. Last year is one of the first years that I did not go through seasonal depression, and I really believe it's because I increased my vitamin D. That is the plan this year. Let me know in the comments below if you have seasonal depression.
I'm all about your vibe, vibe,
On this particular day, we didn't really buy a lot of groceries. It was just the items that I needed for dinner this evening. The other thing is, I really need to get this area together over here, y'all, because it had not been wiped down since I decorated for fall. That was a while ago. I gotta check for spiders, okay? Because I do not do spiders. So I have a great tip for you. You know, like our coats have been in closets for a long period of time just because, you know, it's been hot. So when you take your coat out, shake it out in the event that there are spiders in it. For some reason, spiders love my house. And I don't even know why, because I'm like the exterminator. I'm not even going to tell you about the time that there were maggots. You heard what I said. In my house, I wanted to burn it down and throw it away.
Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that.
Let's all have a moment of silence for the snake plant that was in here. Gone but never forgotten.
Though I want your touch.
Don't forget to disinfect your dustpan after each use.
I don't mind a little cry.
Another area that gets ignored a lot is the top of this refrigerator and these cabinets. It's always dusty, of course, because I live in a dust bucket, but they really needed some attention. And in case you're new here and you're wondering what I'm cleaning with, in that bottle it's just vinegar and water. Vinegar is my jam, as well as like Dawn dish soap, and Method cleaner is amazing as well. I'm speaking into existence, not now, but right now, that vinegar is going to sponsor me. So vinegar, have your people call my people, okay?
Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast.
Rid of this. I do not like it. It was horrible. It never like stayed put. I'm throwing the whole thing and the, what do you call these things? Sponges away. There she is in all of her glory. And this actually works better. It doesn't take up as much space as the other one did.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close. And I need you close. Yeah. Wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close. And I need you close. I need you close. Yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends.
better, but I must say that most of this is just like stains because the door is really old and it needs painted. Moving right along to my living room, all of the wood in here is being cleaned with the Method Wood Almond Scent. It's amazing. Listen, amazing is one of my words, okay? But it really is amazing. It smells so good. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you've been loving on yourself so that you learn how to accept love from others and to love others. Also, just be kind because you don't know what people are going through. I read this thought-provoking quote and I decided I wanted to share it with you. It says, "One can choose to go back towards safety or forward toward growth. Growth must be chosen again and again. Fear must be overcome again and again." In life, everything's a learning experience, right? So when you're growing, it kind of hurts sometimes because it's stretching you. It's unfamiliar. But at the end of the day, you just have to know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. There's a reason you're on your journey of growth. There's a reason you're on your journey of change. And guess what? In the end, you're going to be your own superstar. Do you just like how I put that all together? Because like the last 5 videos, I've been talking about being your own superstar. And honestly, you really should be. You should be cheering yourself on. You should be like, you know what? Today is a good day to be alive. Always think about the value you're adding to other people's lives because you know what? We all need each other. Am I my brother's keeper? Yes, I am.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at all this dirty water from the couch. And you know that's all from dust. That's the thing that's sad. And it's crazy too because like sickness was going around my house here like the last 2 months or so. So I was like wiping stuff down constantly. It should not even be that dirty. I cleaned it off with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant because that is my favorite Mr. Clean. It smells amazing. Let me know below in the comments if you clean your couch with a carpet cleaner or if you try the Gypsy Couch Clean, which is what I do.
Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
The couch is nice and clean. I did switch out 2 blankets to see how I liked it. I switched this one, which used to be on the other side of the couch. I'm not really sure how I like that, but anyway, there are vacuum lines. They look amazing. I love some vacuum lines, you guys. Nice and clean, okay? Everything's been wiped down, dusted, and it's just really nice and clean. And of course, my couch looks amazing. Had to get that layer of dust off of it. That water was pretty dirty. It is lunchtime. This is bone broth, but I always add a little bit of meat, some potatoes and carrots in there with some great seasoning, and then I have some premium crackers. Unfortunately, there is an electrical issue in my house and one of us got shocked. So my dad came to rescue me. So what are we looking for? To see if the wires are touching. Can you tell?
Yeah, it looked like he hooked up.
They look like they're hooked up. Are they hooked up correctly is the question.
Yeah, it must be a bad switch.
So it's a bad switch. So all 3, all 4, all 5, that would be 6 switches that need replaced then.
This one here, it ain't working. The other ones are working.
Tell me what to do when to put a new switch in. So
pull this out and then take the wires loose. You got to turn the electric off, take the wires loose, and then replace the wires.
I don't know how to do all that. You're going to have to do it for me.
3 wires on there, 3 screws on there.
So the switch is working. It's something to do with the wires. My dad is definitely the reason why I like to fix things and then just like put things together. It's dinner time and my familia is eating. Kari is hiding from the camera. How's the food, y'all?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
It's good, guys.
10 out of 10. Stay tuned to see what's going on with the electricity. Until we meet again, later party people.
Stumbling out of bed.